Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Simpson Cleaning 40226 MorFlex series pressure washer hose, a powerhouse accessory designed for cold water use with a maximum pressure of 3,700 PSI. This 50-foot hose, with its 5/16-inch inner diameter, is perfect for tackling any residential or commercial cleaning task, from patios and decks to vehicles and siding, all while handling water temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with industry-standard M22 threaded connections and a dual O-ring design, this hose seamlessly fits most gas or electric pressure washers, including popular Simpson models like 60763, 60551, 61016, 61083, and 61118. The MorFlex technology ensures a highly flexible and kink-resistant experience, while the lightweight polyester braid and non-marring polyurethane outer jacket make handling a breeze and enhance durability. Plus, with 4-inch bend protectors at each end, the hose's lifespan is significantly extended, and the polyurethane outer jacket wipes clean effortlessly. Whether you're powering a pressure washer spray gun, a car wash foam gun, or other power washer accessories, this hose is built to deliver. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.